good excuse, right?
We have several rounds on the way, so kind of gear up and buckle up for this week. We have a winter storm that's going to be here on Wednesday that in some portions of the area, it's looking increasingly likely that we could actually see some 6+ inches in total in some locations on Wednesday. And then we'll get a break on Thursday before snow returns Friday night and then into Saturday. This could once again be another impactful system moving through going into this upcoming weekend, bringing accumulating snowfall to the area. There's a lot of details with our Saturday system that are still pretty muddy. We don't know exactly where that rain snow line is going to be. We're still trying to figure that out for the Wednesday system as well, although confidence really is growing that it's likely going to be kind of somewhere across the south suburbs and into northwest Indiana. That's why you don't see Newton and Jasper counties included in this winter storm watch for the time being. But all locations that you see here highlighted in blue, from LaPorte County over into Lake County, then most of northeastern Illinois, this is for the potential of 6 or more inches of snow being possible Wednesday into Wednesday night. I think your morning commute on Wednesday, it should be fine. It's not really going to get going until mid to late morning. And then during the midday, the afternoon hours, that's when we're really going to start to see some of that heavier snow developing and moving through. So any Wednesday afternoon travel, Wednesday evening or Wednesday night travel, that's when I think we're going to be seeing the heaviest impacts from that system on Wednesday. Your high temperatures today, we tapped out in the mid-30s, made it to 35 at O'Hare, 36 in Gary, 34 in Valparaiso. Here's where we're headed. So the rest of this work week, it's going to be cooler than average. Typically for this time of the year, your average is 34. We're looking at 24 degrees being possible on Thursday, and I think that's in the early morning hours. Then we drop into the teens, so we have a pretty cold week ahead of us, and then we will warm back up to around 32 on Saturday before the bottom drops out again early next week. So the satellite and radar, things are quiet for us right now. We have partly cloudy conditions overhead. Notice the snow that is further off to our west and northwest, though. That is associated with a cold front that's set to move through tonight, and that's going to bring in at least the chance for scattered snow showers late tonight and then continuing on and off through the daytime hours of Tuesday. You'll notice here the coverage not very high, but flurries, scattered snow showers will be possible. And a dusting of snow is possible for those of us that do end up seeing those snow showers on Tuesday. But here comes the main action. So we're dry Wednesday morning around that morning rush, 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. We're likely still mainly dry. But after that, we start to see the snow moving in, and this rain snow line is really going to be key on where we see that heaviest snow setting up. But just know the messaging right now, very messy commutes Wednesday afternoon and evening. That will continue into Wednesday night, and some portions of our viewing area, the Chicagoland region, could be seeing 6+ inches of snow. So your 7-day forecast tomorrow, 27 degrees. We'll have on and off snow showers being possible. Snow for the majority of the day on Wednesday, possibly switching over to freezing rain across the south suburbs and northwest Indiana. Dry on Thursday. Friday, we have a chance of snow Friday night. That's going to linger into Saturday as well, and that too could bring a few inches to the area. Keep it here. We have more local news right after the break.